Hey everyone, if you have an oily scalp and dry ends, this video is for you. Let's dive into my hair care routine that helps balance my hair and keep it healthy. The first step would be fixing my dry ends. For this, I use a hair serum after washing my hair or whenever it feels dry. I apply it only on my hair lengths. This step has made my hair softer and more manageable. I highly recommend adding a serum to your routine for smooth and hydrated hair. This one from Minimalist is my go-to, and this is such a nice lightweight formula that can be easily applied on any part of the day. It doesn't weigh your hair down and also has a little bit of SPF protection in it as well. Now we all want a little bit of hair growth boosting power, especially if you are like me and have a little bit of bald spot here and there. Using a lightweight and non-sticky serum like this one from WishCare has been a game changer in my hair care routine. I have used countless bottles of it. It's easy to apply daily and helps promote hair growth without making my hair greasy. Consistent use has shown great results for me, and I can truly say this works. I mean, look at those baby hairs. And you can easily apply it overnight or any part of the day. But my go-to method is after a shower, when my scalp is really clean, I spritz it like 2 to 3 pumps of it and I blow dry my hair. It doesn't mess us away with the volume. It's super lightweight, has a water-like texture and absorbs immediately. Let's tackle my frizzy, dry hair and obviously washing away all of that dirt and grime and buildup with this Bond Repair treatment range from WishCare. The WishCare Triple Bond Repair shampoo is a really nice clarifying shampoo that breaks away all of that buildup and also hydrates your hair, which is really important. And this treatment serum is really nice and hydrating, although the texture is very lightweight. You're supposed to apply it on your ends, keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off, and you will experience the most frizz-free hair experience out there. This is my current favorite go-to hair care range. It's simple to use and leaves my hair smooth, frizz-free and much more manageable. Now our hair tends to be a little bit oily and grimy, and in between washes, this is what I do to refresh my hair. I use this BBlunt's dry shampoo to keep my roots fresh, and this one from Aromatic is a rosemary hair mist to revive my hair. This quick fixes maintain my hair's look and feel throughout the week. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video, but before ending it, I want to mention some tips and tricks which is essential to keep your hair fresh, hydrated, and also to maintain its healthy state. Avoid washing your hair every day. I know the pain of summer, it feels heavy and grimy. Even if you wash your hair in the morning, by the night, if you're sweating a lot, it feels heavy and sticky. But if you wash your hair every day, first, it will become more dry. Second, type of water quality that we get in our society or in our home is not that beneficial or not that enriching for our hair. So try avoiding everyday shower. Instead, what you can do is use the hair refreshment methods or products that I mentioned in this video. If you are an athlete who swims all day or is out all day and is prone to a lot of pollution, then obviously you can wash your hair every single day. There's not a set rules that is there when it comes to skincare or hair care, but make sure you're choosing a gentle shampoo and also try using filtered water if your hair is too brittle. And last tip would be, if you are heading out, if you are in a hurry, don't go out with a damp or oily hair. That attracts a lot of pollution. While it may seem very feasible that the natural blow dryer, that is the outside or the wind, can dry your hair, but it also attracts a lot of dust and grime which settles onto your scalp and your hair and makes it more damaged and rough. So hey guys, that was my video on the less talked about topic in the hair care genre, which is oily scalp and dry ends. That is the kind of hair struggle that I face, especially in the summer months. And I hope this video helped someone out there. And if it did, leave a like, comment down below your favorite hack for this dilemma. Share this video to any of your friends. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So boom, and take care.